want to share this with you because there is one offer inside my business that brings me anywhere from, I don't know, several thousand to I was burned out. I was sick and tired of bugging strangers. I was sick and tired of bothering friends and family, having to miss out on moments and memories with my children. And I made my first 6 figures in 6 months, and my system didn't cost me a dime. I will never share my profits with anyone again. I now make 6 figures a month, and I've never heard the word no. I've never had to get on the phone with anybody, and I've never had to direct message anybody. How many of you have to look at your bank account to determine what you can do? Imagine never having to do that again. Imagine having your own business and unlock multiple ways to make many different income streams so you can leave a legacy for your family. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how the one offer makes me several $1,000s a day. And I want to share this with you because if you're listening to me right now, and if you can learn how to make $1,000 a day online, you can keep a boss away. That's when Daryl said that last night on the webinar. I'm like, that is so awesome. So I want to share this with you because there is one offer inside my business that brings me anywhere from, I don't know, several thousand to $5,000 a day in just one single day without having to direct message people. And that was something that was so important to me when I launched my business, because my past is network marketing. And the only way I was making money in network marketing is when I was direct messaging people. I was burned out. I was sick and tired of bugging strangers. I was sick and tired of bothering friends and family. So I'm going to share with you today what changed everything for me. And by the way, I have no tech skills. I had no real understanding of what digital marketing was. Matter of fact, what I thought it was and what it actually is two different things. So in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to share with you the exact strategy underneath the daily pay stack and why most people are what they're missing that is attracting daily paying customers. Okay, so if you are here listening to me right now and you're ready to learn how one offer can turn into daily pay, you're definitely in the right place. Okay, so first of all, let me just kind of share with you a little bit about myself. My name is Michele Oneil, and prior to 2022, I was doing network marketing. I'm a mom of 6, I'm a grandma to 5, and time with my family is the most important thing to me. And I was failing miserably at that. I was spending so much time consumed on my phone, direct messaging people, bothering friends and family to make an income. And I had enough, and I knew there had to be a better way. How many of you there's got to be a better way? What am I missing? Because I've seen other people having success online, and I just wanted to know, what am I missing? Because I'm coachable, I'm willing to be consistent, I'm willing to do whatever it takes to get my life and my time back with my family. When I discovered this daily pay blueprint, it changed my life. So I'm going to share with you today the daily pay stack that has given me a predictable, consistent daily pay income of several thousand a day. And it has given me, most importantly, my life and my time back. And during this, you are going to understand why. Now, fast forward to today, I'm a self-made millionaire in the digital space, and even MSN.com featured me as one of the top up and coming women in the entrepreneur world. That is because I was willing to gain in knowledge and learn new skills. If you're willing to do that, sky's the limit of what you can achieve. So the daily pay stack, it's literally 3 systems. Like literally this is it. And they stack and they feed each other. They feed each other to where you can have freedom. So let me explain. We have the first layer is the magnet. Many of you look at the magnet as social media content, which you are correct. But here's why I like to look at it as the magnet. Because if you spend time just posting and praying, you're going to get no results. But if you spend time learning how to become that magnet and attract people to you, the results follow. This was so important to me because this is what pulls the right person in. And if I go back to 2022, this is what I did wrong. I was going and try to finding customers. I was bothering friends and family. I didn't know there was a better way. So when I discovered this daily pay blueprint stack, It taught me an attraction marketing strategy. It taught me how to become that magnet out on social media. You know, there's 5 billion people on social media. Imagine standing out. Imagine stopping the scroll of people, and in one day they don't know you, and the next day they fall in love with you and want to buy from you. That is an attraction marketing strategy that has completely changed my life. Now, let me share with you why I recommend social media. Because no matter where you go, somebody's on their phone. You can't go anywhere anymore without seeing people on their phone. And if you look, they're on a social media platform. So today, that is the coolest and the quickest way to attract customers, by going to social media. This is why today is the best time to launch your own online business, because you can build a business with no monthly expenses. You can build a business without spending any money on marketing. And if you tried to do that 10 years ago, it wasn't possible. You had to invest in marketing to make money online. Okay. So I have I teach people how to become the magnet. The moment I learned this, the daily pay started coming in. And here's why. Because the second layer is the offer. When you go to sell something, you have to sell something that will turn attention into income. So you need to sell something that is in high demand. You need to sell something that is trending. So what I discovered is one of the fastest growing trendings out there is in the e-learning industry, which is the fastest growing industry. No matter what you decide, you want to sell something in the digital space. The world is going digital. Why wouldn't you want to go digital? This was so important to me. Now, let me share with you this, because this is where it gets really interesting. Because when I first heard of promoting something with a higher ticket, I was hesitant, because I used to promote a network marketing product that I still love and drink today. So definitely not bashing the products whatsoever. But when I would get a customer, I make $12. $12. So if you do the math, if I wanted to have a 6-figure business off of a $12 commission product, I would need 8,333 customers a year. I don't know about you. I'm not willing to work that hard. I don't want to need volume of customers to make decent money. So when I found out with one offer, one customer can turn into $1,400. So if you do the math, all you need is 6 customers a month to have a 6-figure year. 6 customers a month times 12 is $100,000 a year. Now, when you think about volume, look at the volume of the amount of people hanging out on social media, and all you need is 6. So you want to be selling an offer that turns attention into income. Now, when I first thought about selling a higher ticket, I was like, really, you have a hard time selling a $12 product. How are you going to sell a higher ticket? Because it solves problems for people. That's the biggest point. It solves problems for people. And every single person has a TV on their wall that costs more money than that. If they'll spend money on entertainment, they'll spend money on education to completely change their life and turn their life around. So that's the importance of having the right offer. But without the magnet, it doesn't matter how good of an offer you have. That's why this is the daily pay stack. If you're missing one, you're not making money. If you have all 3 of the layers working, you're making money. That's cool, right? And the third layer is the automations. This is what makes it keep going and paying you even when you're not working. As a mom, that was a dream come true. I was like, okay, so wait. I don't have to direct message people. I don't have to get on the phone with people. I don't have to friend request people and go into their comments to try to get their attention. I can learn how to become the magnet and pull the right person in and have the right offer that turns attention into income, and have the automations do all of the work for me. So what makes it keep paying me even when I am not working? I was like, I will learn this until I succeed. That was the mindset I went into this. And my experience so far has been, this is the easiest thing I've ever done in my entire life. It's the funnest thing I've done. I have my life back. I have freedom back, which is cool to say because I'm an introvert. The thought of being a magnet on social media was uncomfortable to me. But you know what was more uncomfortable? Having to miss out on moments and memories with my children. So I was like, I want to have an automated business. The world is going automated. The world is going digital. Why not you? That's what I said. I said, why not me? So I applied this, and it took me a total of 2 days to get my automated system up and working. That's it, just 2 days. And to set it up, you're going to connect your own payment gateways. So you're paid directly into your bank account. You got to wait for no company to pay you. I thought that was cool. The automations is actually going to build an email list. No matter what you walk away with today, walk away with this: email equals income. The bigger my email list gets, the bigger the daily pay stack gets. Actually, my email has now unlocked multiple types of income without me doing more work. My email is constantly making me an income without doing more work. That is the power of ownership. That is the power of being able to create legacy wealth. That's why I call it the Legacy Builders Program, so you can leave a legacy for your family. But if one of these is missing, the income is not daily. So here's the part I love. First of all, I'm a mom first. And so when I did network marketing, I didn't know there was a different way. So in network marketing, I had expenses every month. I had to spend money every single month to run my network marketing business. When I discovered the automated system has no monthly expenses attached to it, I was like, I'm in. I thought that was cool. I literally used this whole entire process, and I made my first 6 figures in 6 months, and my system didn't cost me a dime. I built a global business using social media, becoming the magnet, having the right offer, the right automated system, and made my first 6 figures in 6 months. And I didn't have any monthly expenses. People spend more money in gas making their boss richer than I did to run a business. Now it's constantly working for me. Now, here's the part that I didn't understand how powerful this was. Because when I first started in the work from home world, I was doing network marketing, so I could sell to people just in the United States. When I discovered the offer that unlocked 2 languages, but also unlocked the ability to sell global to anyone in the world. Because when it's digital, you can. When it's digital, you can make 100% profit. You don't have to share your profits with anyone. When I discovered that, I was like, I will never share my profits with anyone again. And that was the game changer. I just followed this step by step. So if you're listening to me right now and you've tried to do things before and you haven't had success, one of these is missing. One of these is missing. And here's what I love. It's all figure-outable. It's all fixable. We're not talking like you're going to be a professional athlete playing football, where sometimes you need the height, you need the strength, you need things that, genetics haven't allowed us to have. When you look at the digital space, there's no prejudice whatsoever. There's no genetics that are going to keep you broke. It's you making the right decisions. You having the courage to try something new. I followed the steps and the blueprint, and I learned how to become the magnet. I learned how to have the right offer. I learned how to have the automated system that has unlocked multiple income streams for me and has literally changed everything. So I just want to share this with you. Don't make making money any harder than this. When you become the magnet and you go out there and you solve problems for other people, guess what happens? You have the right offer that attracts the right people, that gets income coming in. You have automations that are just going to unlock multiple income streams, but does all of the work for you. I have built a multi-million-dollar business. I now make 6 figures a month, and I've never heard the word no. I've never had to get on the phone with anybody, and I've never had to direct message anybody. I can walk away and my automations work for me. I can walk away and my content is out there working for me 24/7. My offer is available at any time to buy. So if you're listening to me right now, you need to take the next step. And that step is grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint that breaks down this daily pay stack. It literally shows each step. It shows exactly what an automated business looks like. It gives you the clarity that you need. Now, your next step is to have the courage to take action. I will share this with you. One thing that is so unique about this is you're not alone. Yes, you're in business for yourself because you're going to make 100% profit, but you're not in business by yourself. You have a complete community of people to help you. The daily stack, the way this system works, has grown a community to over 60,000 people since we launched. Does it work? Yes or yes. So there, just go to the description and you'll see where you can grab access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint, grab it. And I just want to leave you with one note. And this is so important. If you could learn the skills to have your own online business for time and financial freedom, so you'd have to worry about looking at your bank account anymore. Like, it's the weekend. How many of you have to look at your bank account to determine what you can do? Imagine never having to do that again. Imagine having your own business and unlock multiple ways to make many different income streams so you can leave a legacy for your family. That's exactly what you should be doing in today's digital world.